How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to your Xbox Series X, S, or Xbox One. Basically, these steps are going to be the same for all of the Xbox versions. The first thing that you want to do is to get the official wireless transmitter from the Turtle Beach headset. Basically, it's going to be this one. You want to plug the USB wireless transmitter onto the USB port of your console. Now for the Xbox Series X, most likely it's going to be at the back of the console. For the Series S, it's going to be this one. And then for the other Xbox Series, once again, you could just plug the wireless transmitter onto the port itself. Now, if that didn't work, you could also try using the charging cable. Now you want to plug the USB port onto the USB port and then the USB-C to the charging port of your headset to see if that works. Now, as an additional note, while you're using the wireless transmitter, you want to make sure that you are inside the Bluetooth mode if it's applicable. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.